some global opinion that has come our way, which you could argue could be constructive India. So HSBC in the strategy note have spoken about India as a safe harbor, and they say that stocks have gained slightly since the Liberation Day, which makes it an exceptional case because not too many markets are above Liberation Day numbers. Liberation Day, of course, is the 2nd of the month. Still exhibiting world-leading GDP and earnings growth, and valuations having corrected over the last 6 months makes the case for equities in the face of global challenges quite compelling. So this is the HSBC view. Goldman Sachs, asset management again. By the way, both of these are asset management. So it's not the sell side, but the AMC, which has given this note. And in their strategy note, Goldman Sachs AMC says that they are increasing allocation to India within the emerging markets portfolio. And they say that India there could be potential enhancements to information ratio. India can achieve higher utilized excess returns without increasing volatility. So bear that in mind. In the latest note from Jefferies Greed and Fear, penciled by Chris Wood, he says that US stocks are still trading at 19.2 times forward earnings, and he advises global investors to continue to reduce positions in the US. No, I think we've gotten this line wrong. He's advised global, just remove this line, let's remove this line. He's advising investors to reduce position in the US and continue building positions in Europe, China, and India. I think that's the message given by Chris Wood. So this is a fair degree of global opinion that has come our way in the last few days. Now, let's try and figure out what is it that we're gleaning from the dealing rooms. Soumit Sarkar brings us the Herd on the Street segment every day at this time, and today is no different. Well, interesting day to get the segment. Are people at large fairly bullish, Soumit?
Well, yes, there is a bullish tone that we are seeing in the market, 5th straight day of gains that we are picking up, and it's a broad-based gain basically. Stock specific, what I'm hearing firstly is on 361. Tomorrow is the board meet where the company is looking for a fundraise, and dealers are indicating that a preferential issue to the UBS India might be announced tomorrow, and the deal is likely to happen at a premium compared to the current market price. A premium of nearly 10 to 15% is what the dealers are indicating. Second stock on the list is Godfrey Philip. Dealers indicate that smart investors have now started to accumulate this counter at lower levels on anticipation of a potential positive announcement that could come in, or a positive development that could happen when it comes to Godfrey Philip. Third stock on the list is HUDCO. Now, a large influential HNI has started to accumulate this counter, and that's the reason at one point of time the stock was up more than 2.5% in trade. Large block deals have happened. A large influential HNI is the buyer in trade, that is what I'm picking up. And lastly, CG Power, that stock was up more than 4% in trade. Buzz on the street is that there could be a potential large capital expenditure announcement or an acquisition related to semiconductor which could be announced from CG Power side. So keep an eye out for CG Power as well in trade.